driver. I drive school bus. I help students to reach school. I am a florist. I sell flowers and bouquets. Bouquets. I make flower decoration. I am a doctor. I treat patients in my clinic. I treat the poor free.
I am a fruit vendor. I sell fresh fruit in the market. I sell all kinds of fruits. I am a tailor. I sew clothes. I stitch buttons.
I am a vegetable vendor. I sell fresh vegetables. I sell
Organic
vegetables too. I am a lawyer. I practice law in
court.
court. I give odd
Advice
advice in
matters
matters of
law.
law.
Thank you.